pasta gift basket, pasta gift basket ideas, Italian pasta gift basket ideas, gourmet pasta gift basket. Are you wondering how to put up the best and the perfect pasta basket ideas for a friend? Well, let me show you in this video and let's start right now. Before you decide to put up the perfect or the best pasta gift basket ideas for a friend, family, for anyone, find the right basket that is good to use, and then from there, theme. What do you want to include? Who the gift is for? And also decide on other things you can mix it in to make it the perfect pasta gift basket. When you have all this in place, it will determine exactly what to put in the basket, and it will make it very easy to organize those items and make the perfect basket ideas or the perfect gourmet pasta gift basket ideas. And choosing a basket or finding the right basket for your gift pasta basket, depending on how heavy those things are going or how many items you have, will determine what kind of basket to get. So I'm going to use this plastic tote. I mean, you can find this in your local store. Also, I can leave a description in this video for you if you are looking for this exact tote. This really is good because it's solid and it will hold whatever I put in here, because I know exactly what theme I'm going to use and what things I'm going to include here. So I need something that is solid and heavy and will hold everything that I put in here. So this is what we are going to use. I'm going to use kitchen towels to do this. I'm just going to fold this and put them in. I need a base. Made a little cushion here that we can add. So now that we have this set, we'll start putting our items in here. Since I know exactly what my pasta gift basket theme is, I've already chosen what pasta to give. So I'm giving the Delalo organic pasta just to make it a little healthy. So this is the penny rigate, and then also I have the organic whole linguine. I have tried both of these and they are amazing. So this is what my theme is going to be. So let's just add this to the basket. And now that we have our pasta in our basket, the sauce that we are going to add to this is also going to be, I'm going with the Delalo vodka sauce, and this is amazing. This is all natural. I love it. It tastes good. And so this is what we are going to add to the pasta gift basket, and I'm adding 2 of this, so to make it a really big pasta gift basket. Good. Our pasta gift basket is looking so good. Italian. We cannot have our pasta without adding some kind of wine to it. So they say pasta goes well with red wine or table wine. I'm going to add a red Moscato to our pasta gift basket to make it high-end pasta gift basket. So we are adding the red Moscato wine to this. So I have decided to add crushed basil tomato to this basket, just in case they have decided to make their own sauce. There's something that they can use right away. This will make it easy if they decided to make their own sauce. We are adding this to the basket as well. The final thing that I have decided to add to this Italian pasta gift basket is going to be sun-dried tomato pesto. This also goes well with pasta, and this is the Classico. If you haven't tried this before, I have, and it's really good. You can put this on a spread, on a toast bread, or you can put it on your pasta, and you can mix it up anyhow you want. So I decided to add this to the basket to make this basket really, really complete and really, really the best perfect pasta gift basket. And now this Italian pasta gift basket is complete. We have everything we need, a completely pasta gift basket that can be used and will be appreciated so much. This is lovely. friends, we just finished putting up our best Italian gift basket ideas, and it was lovely. This basket contains everything that makes a pasta dinner for two complete. I hope this video helps you to make the perfect Italian basket for that special friend in your life. My name is Florence at florencestraka.com. Homemaking made simple for modern women. If you are looking for how to put up a simple breakfast gift basket ideas, watch the next video and I'll see you on there. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.